Wonderchef is the name that stands for quality, design, and innovation in the kitchen. We have been bringing health, taste, and convenience to your kitchen. Now, Wonderchef is coming out of the kitchen. We will continue to help you create amazing food, but we will also offer products for serving the food that you create. Wonderchef Home and Living Collection is an embodiment of emotions and moments that make your home a happy place. Wonderchef Home and Living, it is an extensive collection of premium dinnerware, barware, cutlery, glasses, linen, serving trays, and everything else that reflects your taste in everyday living. When you gather around your dining table at the end of a hard day's work, or when you entertain guests over the weekend, Wonderchef Home and Living Collection offers choices and an experience like no other. It is time for you to design your happy place.